did Dada go? Where did Dada go? Can you tell me where he went? Did he go bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
He's going to get you some medicine and make you feel better. Yep, medicine. Can you say medicine? Yeah. Hi, sweetie. Oh, you just made yourself really messy. Thank you. So beautiful. Now you have a purple big old belly. Dada went bye-bye, but he'll be back.
Goodbye.
Is that a bike?
Goodbye.
What do you do on a bike, messy lady? Do you go vroom vroom? Show me how you vroom vroom. Show me. Go vroom vroom vroom. He. Can you say vroom vroom vroom? Vroom vroom. Emma, stop that. Stop that. Emma. That shirt's no longer going to be blue now. Thank you. Thank you for the stick. What is that? What is it? It's popsicle. Messy, messy popsicle.
It's hot.
It's not hot, it's cold. It's the opposite of hot. Stop decorating everything and just eat it. Ew, it hit me. Ew. Show me how you vroom vroom on a bike. Show me how you vroom vroom. Can you show me how you vroom vroom? You're just going to keep making a mess. Ew, it hit me that time. Yeah? Can you show me how you vroom vroom? Say vroom, vroom, vroom. No? I see London, I see France. I see Emma's diaper pants. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Say your chair. Yeah, down. Very good. What is that? You're welcome. Why are you saying thank you? For what? For allowing you to get messy? Or for dealing with all your crankiness today? Is there a ball down there? What are those? What is that? Look. What is that? What is this? What is it?
Bubbles.
Bubbles, yeah. Do you like bubbles?
Bubbles.
Do you like bubbles? Can you say I love you? Vroom. Can you say I love you? Vroom, vroom. You want a bike, don't you? Vroom. Boom. No. Leave it alone. Emily Coulson. Now. I can see what you're about to do. Yeah, lay back. What do you see? What do you see? Ugh, messy lady. Where'd Dada go? Where'd Dada go? Where did he go? Did Dada go bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, did he go bye-bye? Don't touch. You're messy. Dada went bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yep. He come back. He got you some medicine. Or went to go get you some medicine anyway. Can you say purple? Can you say purple?
Dada.
Dada will be back.
Dada.
Where is he? Do you see him?
Dada.
Do you see him?
Dada. Dada.
Nope, that wasn't Dada. He'll be back though.
Dada.
What is that? Is that a plane? Plane, very good.
Oh yeah.
Can you blow kisses? Go. Mwah. No? Can you blow kisses? Aww. Can you do it with your hand? Blow kisses with your hands? Looky. Looky. Go. Mwah. You're not going to do it? Oh, fine. Guess who's here? Guess who's back?
Dada.
Yeah. You got to look at the driveway though, honey.
Dada.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Dada.
Dada's not bye-bye no more though, is he? Who is that? Who is that?
Look at you, purple lady.
It's
Yeah, it's hot right now. Figured you might drink here in a minute.
You don't even know what it is.